area of all the laughing. And this guy is called the Snowstorm. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. I will not see you tomorrow. Just kidding, I would always see you tomorrow. And I love seeing you. It's called the Snowstorm! Now I'm gonna say it. The Snowstorm. It is getting colder outside. The wind is blowing. There is a nip in the air. Jamal and Aisha run into the house. They get their coats. They come back outside. Windfalls begin. White flakes begin to fall. Jamal and Aisha open their mouths. They catch snowflakes on their tongue. The snow begins to fall fast. It falls faster and faster. The snow gets deep. It gets deeper and deeper. The wind blows. Harder. It gets colder and colder. Jamal and Isha go inside the house. It feels good to be warm. The end. So remember, I'm going to see you tomorrow. Always.